Would you believe the beautiful red color in many foods begins with these tiny insects?
The concentration levels are stabilizing right at the target. Flow rate is consistent. The quality metrics look excellent on the handheld.
The L value is still slightly low. Add another 20 microliters. Confirmed. It's a perfect match to the control swatch now.
Chivlers. The purified red pigment flows through stainless steel pipes into large concentration tanks, where excess water is slowly removed. The concentrated pigment enters precision mixing tanks, where approved food-grade mineral salts are added to begin forming stable carmine pigment. Advanced filtration machines pass the carmine solution through multiple ultrafine membrane filters, producing exceptionally pure natural food coloring.
pH is perfectly balanced, and the color stability results are excellent. We are cleared for food-grade compliance.
The scan confirms consistency. It's a perfect match.
Excellent. We can approve this batch.
Automated sieving machines remove even the smallest powder clumps, producing an exceptionally smooth, premium quality food coloring.
The crimson is vibrant and uniform. It's ready. Noted. Proceed to packaging.
Professional confectionery chefs use food-grade carmine to decorate chocolates, candies, macarons, and luxury desserts with brilliant natural color.
Look at the vibrant intensity of the natural carmine under this light. It's completely stable, unlike the synthetic sample. This confirms the superior quality.
Do you know what you are eating?